Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Listening and Learning. Hope all are fine. Kindly watch the video and subscribe the channel. Let's go to today's video. The story of the mother goat and wolf. Self-discipline and obedience pace. Once upon a time, there was a mother goat who had a little kid. The little kid was very naughty, so the mother goat had to teach him self-discipline. One day, the mother goat had to go to the market to get vegetables to cook dinner. She could not take her kid because the market was very far. Leaving the kid at home was dangerous because there was a wolf in the jungle who wanted to eat him. So the mother goat told him, "You stay at home, but lock the door from inside. Don't open it till I come back. If anyone else comes and knocks, first find out who it is from the window and then only open the door." With these instructions, she left the little kid at home and made sure the door was bolted from inside. The wolf saw the mother goat going out of the house. He thought it would be a great idea to go and get the kid. He thought the kid would serve as a fine meal. He went and knocked the door. The kid said, "Who is it?" The wolf pretended that he was the mother goat by trying to change his voice. The kid was also not sure whether it was his mother at the door. So he said, "You don't speak like my mother. I will not open the door." The wolf said, "I am your mother. I will be very angry if you don't open the door." The kid remembered what his mother had said. He quickly went to the window and looked out to find the dirty wolf at the door. The kid said, "Go away, you are a wolf and not my mother." The wolf went back to the jungle disappointed. This way, the kid could save his life. Hope all you like this story. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Bye-bye.